Today, we're making a simple, quick, no-bake apple pie. You'll find the exact ingredients and instructions in the video description. All my recipes are also on Facebook, my blog, Instagram, and TikTok, so watch wherever you prefer. Let's begin. I dissolve 2 lemon jellies in 625 milliliters of boiling water. That's 2.5 cups. Then I add a 900 milliliters jar of cooked apples to the cooled jelly. Next, we wait for the jelly to thicken. Meanwhile, lay out ladyfinger biscuits. They can be round. Soak them in milk or lemon water. During this time, we'll also prepare the cream. For this, we need 400 milliliters of well-chilled 30% cream, 250 g mascarpone, and a full tablespoon of powdered sugar. Mix it all into a thick cream. On hot days, I recommend adding cream stabilizer to make it firmer. Spread the thickening jelly over the biscuits, then refrigerate. Once the jelly has set, spread the prepared cream evenly on top. I sprinkled hazelnuts over it, but you can use chocolate or crushed meringues, whatever you have on hand. Chill in the fridge overnight for best results. It's simple, delicious, and I recommend it to everyone. Enjoy!